networking session for cbse class 8, where I will discuss some important concept first. You can see I have here a presentation in which I have written some documents about computer network. First of all, what is the definition of computer network? A computer network is a set of devices connected through links. A node can be computer, printer or any other device capable of sending or receiving data. Computer network क्या होता है? एक set of device होता है जिसमें we use to transfer information through different links. We have 3 or 4 types of computer network: local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and one more personal area network. Here we have the diagram of computer network, where you can see a sender is sending information to a receiver through a medium of communication. So sender could be a person who is having a mail ID through which he or she can send an information to a receiver, and medium of communication could be anything, like it could be wire, fiber optic, coaxial, or it could be modem, or it could be router, switch, hub, anything. So explanation of sender, receiver and communication medium. Who is a sender? Sender is a node. Who is the sender? You can see this diagram. These all are connected through each other through a communication media. You can see a thin line between these. So they all are connected with each other to share some information. They could be sender or they could be receiver. Sender and receiver both are nodes. And what are nodes? Nodes are the computers which are used to send the information or receive the information. And this is the communication device. It could be a router, it could be a switch, hub, modem, anything. So this diagram is to explain what is a sender, what is a receiver, and how to communicate information through a communication media. So now students, I will discuss some terms of computer network. What are the terms of computer network are there? First one is server, second one is workstation. What is a server? I have explained you a diagram in which, in this diagram, I have explained that there are collection of nodes which are connected with each other through a communication device. There are 2 types of architecture in computer network: point to point and client server. In point to point architecture, all the computers are connected with each other and they have the equal capability to share the network. Whereas in client server architecture, there are multiple clients which are called nodes or workstation, which are connected to a server. For example, in the middle of this there could be a server in place of communication media. So all the computers are connected with each other through a server. So that is the concept of a server. So student, what is the definition of server? A server is a centralized computer which has a large storage which provide information on data to different nodes. सर्वर एक सेंट्रलाइज कंप्यूटर होता है जिसमें बहुत सारा स्टोरेज होता है which provide information. What is a workstation? Workstation refers to computer connected to a network. Now there is a concept of NIU, that is network interface unit. What is a network interface unit? It is a device attached to each node and is connected to the server. एक डिवाइस होता है जो हर नोड से कनेक्टेड होता है which is connected to server. So NIU is the network interface unit, is a device attached to each node and is connected to the server. A unique physical address is given to each NIU. That is NIU. A device attached to each node and is connected to the server. Whenever you have seen, if you have seen any in your computer lab or anywhere else, that many computers are connected with each other through a communication media, and every computer are attached with a small device. Small device is installed backside of the computer with some wires. Backside में On the backside of the computer there is a small device which has collection of wires, and in every computer there is the device, that is the NIU, and that is the part of the networking which is connected to provide networking to the computer. Now we have the term called what are the types of communication. We have two types of communication: guided media and unguided media. Guided media means communication through guided media takes place with physical media. Guided media में we have Ethernet cable. We have different type of cable: Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. In guided media we will study about the types of cables only. That we have three types of cables: Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. In unguided media, communication through non-physical identity. Types of guided media. In guided media we have types of unguided media. Guided media means which are wires. When we will talk about wires, then those things will come under guided media. And when we will talk about Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, radio wave, then that will come under unguided media. So inside unguided media we have radio wave, that is example Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. And then microwave. Microwave is a wave which is used to regulate mobiles, cellular communication. And then infrared, TV and remote control. Whenever we operate our remote control and we switch on the TV, that we used to connect our remote control with the TV through a signal, and that signal is called infrared. Now we will study about Ethernet cable. What do you mean by Ethernet cable? These are the data link technology used in local area network, example Cat5 and Cat6. We have seen many cables whenever we used to work in a computer, like Cat5, Cat6, different kind of cable, blue color, black color cable, so double pin cable, single pin. So student, that's it for today in networking. In next, about the other details I will continue in the next video. Thank you.